What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel, y'all. So, I think this is the final sneaker of the catch-up for the long run that I had, that I needed to catch up on reviewing, and feels good pumping out all these videos, y'all, because I got the time to do it. Why not? It's a little late at night, but the only gap I got to make these videos, y'all. So, but make sure that I thank y'all for continuing to support your boy. Make sure that I sit there and just remind y'all, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a little comment, and if you're new to the channel, do all three of those at one time, and make sure you hit that notification bell, y'all. So today's sneaker is actually an early cop, and it's only early about 2 days. Well, today's Thursday, release Saturday. Yeah, 2 days. So only early about 2 days. Paid retail for them from overseas website. I think it's BSTN or BTSN, one of those two. Very reputable European company that sells sneakers out of there. I've copped many sneakers from them too. I copped those royal blue foams that dropped earlier, like a month and a half early. Crazy. They do that sometimes, and hey, I'm all for it. If I can catch it on there, I'm good with that. So, all right, well, this sneaker that I'm about to review, the other version of it, I'm kind of giving it away what it is. The high version of this, I was not able to cop. And then the resale price, I'm not willing to pay. So these will be, will do for now for not having those. So let me show y'all what sneaker I'm talking about. It is, boom. It is of course, we all know when it's a Jordan, comes in this Nike style box. And let me read it to y'all. So it is the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. It is sail black dark mocha. And in front of us, ladies and gents, we have the Air Jordan 1 Low Mochas. So, oh wait, I normally don't grab the side. I normally grab the other side. Here we go. And man, oh man. Okay. I could definitely deal with these, y'all. Definitely happy with these. Check them out. All right, y'all. Well, first impressions. I love the suede on the back heel. Love the color, the mocha color on there. Got the Nike here. And if you watch the channel long enough, you know how I feel about smooth leather. This one borderlines on being smooth, so I'll let it pass. We'll see. You guys will see in the up close and personal what I'm talking about. But this is definitely a good colorway. I'm happy with the sneaker so far. Now, I know the OGs did not have sale on them, if I remember correctly, or they didn't look like they had sale. But these, they say they have sale. I can see where they have sale. You'll notice it in the up close. Kind of a little disappointed in that a little bit, because like I said, I don't remember the OGs, the highs having sale in it. So I'm kind of upset they, do that curveball to the mocha lows. So, but other than that, definitely a good colorway. Good quality on the sneaker. So let me stop flapping my jaws. Let me get this in front of the camera for y'all to check out and make your own opinion on them, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us, we have the Air Jordan 1 Low Mochas, y'all. So let's take these out the box real quick. Get a look at them. The box is your generic one. Nothing fancy to it. So let's take just a quick gander on it. And check it to the side, because we're not here for that. We're here for these. Now, check these beauties out, y'all. Like I said, it's got that somewhat smooth leather to them, but it got a little, it looks like a little tumbleness to them, so I'll let it rock with these. These are definitely dope. The swooshes have that also. So we got the mocha right there. Only one pairs of shoelaces with these sneakers, y'all. I'm a little disappointed in that, but definitely would have been better with some sale, which again, I'm not too happy that they snuck in the sale into the midsole. I don't believe that the OGs have, sale in the midsole. But definitely one of my favorite parts of the sneaker is the back mocha heel with that nice suede back there, y'all. And yep, normal Air Jordan 1 sole. But other than that, definitely happy buy for me. I'm happy that I was able to cop this colorway in some sort of silhouette, because like I said before, I wasn't able to cop the highs, and on top of that, I'm not paying resale for them. So all right, y'all, what y'all think about the sneaker? Is this gonna be a cop, double up, pass? I might double up on it if I can catch a good sale on it. I don't know if I enter the Foot Locker raffle. I'll find out tomorrow if I get that or not. But I definitely don't think that if I don't win that raffle, then, which by the way, it was definitely it was only a ship to me option that I could sign up for. I couldn't sign up for like a local site, because I think a lot of the stores are doing first come first serve for these, y'all. So all right, well, let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section. We're gonna definitely love to rock these whenever I put them on, y'all. All right, well, there's nothing more left to say about these, so let's get back in front of this camera. Let's get our last comments and thoughts on the sneaker, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 1 Low Mochas, y'all. I'm happy with them. Definitely, I was happy I was able to cop early. Let's see if I hit up with my double up on the Foot Locker raffle entry. I don't know if I'll cop any others other than that. I think if I strike out on that one, I'm gonna just let it be and not even go for the second pair. I think that these might sell out, but I also might be able to catch these for below retail. So all right, y'all, well, let me know what y'all thought about the sneaker. Let me know if y'all with it, with not, if y'all gonna stand in line, if y'all gonna because I heard a lot of the releases now for this one, especially a lot of stores are having first come first serve. So let me know if y'all gonna go out there and cop that, stand in line, retail like the old days. So make sure you hit that like button if y'all already stood this far into the video. Make sure it's a nice quick like button. Make sure you hit comment in there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And you know what, there's nothing left else to say other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. We have the Air Jordan 1 Low Mochas, y'all. Definitely a dope colorway, y'all. So keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.